This is a beginner's guide to making money with Amazon. We'll show you, step by step, how to sign up as an Amazon affiliate. It's a bit more complex than other programs because Amazon has specific rules. We'll guide you through the sign-up process and give you tips to follow the rules and make the most money. How to create an Amazon affiliate account, and we want to search for Amazon Associates program. The first one that shows up here is the Amazon.com Associates Central website. This is where we can sign up for the U.S. Amazon Associate Program, because there are actually different Amazon Associate programs for different regions. So this USA, there's lots of different other regions as well, and each of them you will need to sign up to manually. Alright, let me walk you through signing up for the USA program. The steps are pretty much the same for any other program too. First, I'll click on this link for Amazon.com Associates Central and explain what we need to do. Step 1 is to sign up. Step 2 is to recommend products and stuff from Amazon. And step 3 is where you start earning money. Let's begin by clicking on the sign up option at the top. If you already have an Amazon account, you'll sign in. But for this guide, I'll create a new account. So, I'll fill in my details to create one. After that, we'll be taken to a page where we can start the Amazon Associates application. I'll fill in the required information on this page. Now, here's the thing. We need to provide a list of all the websites and social media links where we'll share our affiliate links. It says here to list the main websites and mobile apps where we plan to display banners, widgets, or other ads from Amazon Associates. You need to add at least one website or mobile app, but you can add up to 50. So we'll list them accordingly. So in here, you would add your YouTube channel or your website if you've got one. Then we want to hit Next. Next is going to ask us down the bottom here, are any of these traffic sources or social media websites, are they directed primarily at children under 13? So we want to answer yes or no. Ours are not. I'm going to confirm that. Next, we have a few more things that we need to fill out on this page. The first one here is your preferred associate store ID. So this is your own unique link or code essentially that identifies you with your links so things can be tracked properly. So let's go. JB, Amazon, tell us about the content you create. Next, we need to specify which of the following best describes your content. If it's a blog content or niche website, search comparison shopping engine, coupons, or deal website. So you pick which is the closest for you. I listed a YouTube channel, so I'm gonna go search because it's search-based content that we are creating on there. How did you hear about us? Let's go online and search. We then need to fill in the CAPTCHA. Agree to the terms by checking the box down the bottom here, and then we hit Finish. So now at this point, we are temporarily approved into the Amazon Associate Program. So congrats Justin Brown. Thank you for replying. Here is our unique ID, and it says that they'll go ahead and they'll review our application. But in the meantime, you've granted full access to the Associates Central 24 hours a day. Now this next sentence here is really important. If your affiliate links have not referred qualified sales after 180 days, your application and access to the Associates Central will be withdrawn, meaning that you need to send at least 3 qualified sales or purchases to Amazon. They can't be your own in that 180-day period. And it also says as a reminder here, this is another super important piece. You must transparently disclose your relationship with us to customers when using Amazon Link. So you need to disclose that you are using affiliate links wherever you're using them. Now we also down the bottom here have the ability to enter in our payment and tax information. You will need to do this at some point, but you can skip this and hit later for now. So now that our account is created, we can see we've got this warning up the top here. This is again prompting us to input our tax information and our payment information, navigating Amazon Associates Central. But again, you can do this at a later stage. If we scroll down here, we get to see some reporting. So we can see our earnings overview, the amount of clicks and commissions that we've got. We can also see our summary here for the past 30 days. Obviously, this will build out as you use it. We also got more advanced reporting up here under Reports. But if we do come up here to Tools and down to one link, this is a fairly new addition, something that Amazon has been rolling. Amazon One Link feature out for quite a while now. And while I said earlier in the video that you do need to sign up for each of the different Amazon Associate programs for each of the different regions, they're trying to streamline that process. And that's where this Amazon One Link tool comes in. So this will let you monetize your international traffic across certain Amazon Associate programs. So this isn't all of them. That said, they are progressively rolling this out. But if we just scroll down here to get started, then we can come over here to add trees, and then from here, we can select which countries we want to link this Amazon account with. And this is automatically then going to redirect people through to their local store and still be tracked as them using our Amazon affiliate link. So we've gone ahead and selected them all here. Now, I'll hit next, and we can see that we've now got those listed here. Now, let's talk about adjusting preferences for this link. Over on the side, there's an option called Link Redirection Preferences. This is where things get a bit more advanced. If you want to use multiple tracking IDs for different regions, you can do that here. Most folks won't need this feature, but it's cool that it's available. While Amazon has this feature, what we're using currently is a service called Genius Link. It not only integrates with Amazon's affiliate program, but also with many other affiliate programs. Genius Link is great for managing affiliate links. It helps you keep track of which products are in stock or out of stock, and it makes managing links and redirecting people to different regions or Amazon stores super easy. Plus, it's simple to find and generate your own Amazon affiliate links using their tool. Now, let's head back to the Amazon Associates website. What we want to do next is find our Amazon links. Previously, you had to enable a feature under Tools called SiteStripe to create Amazon affiliate links. But now, it's already enabled by default. Once we're on the Amazon website, like Amazon.com, we'll see an extra stripe bar across the top. Let's find a product to generate an affiliate link for. For example, here's a monitor adapter I recently purchased. To get the link, we just need to click on Get Link at the top. We can choose different options like a text link, an image with text, or a custom option. For now, let's stick with the text link. When we click on it, it automatically generates a unique link with our store ID and tracking embedded in it. It also provides a short URL for us to use, which is handy because the full link can be ridiculously long. We can copy this short link and paste it anywhere public-facing like our blog or YouTube video descriptions. We're free to share this link wherever we want. Now, Amazon has one of the strictest terms of services in terms of affiliate programs and conditions and requirements of where you can or cannot important Amazon Associates program policies share and use and promote things from Amazon. You actually need to make it clear that those links are actually taking people to Amazon, so it doesn't say that you can't use other services to shorten the links and to help you manage your affiliate links, things like Genius Link that we use. But it does say that it needs to be clear that you are linking to an Amazon site. So for us, what we do is we're actually calling it out next to one of our Amazon affiliate links onto our YouTube channel. We're clearly saying that that link is taking people directly to Amazon, so there's no confusion. One other thing you need to be aware of is that you do have some promotional limitations around where you can actually use your affiliate links. They need to be public-facing or publicly available. They can't be used in emails. They can't be used in books. They can't be used in PDF documents or restricted or password-protected websites either. They need to be on public-facing websites where Amazon can track and see where that traffic is actually coming from. And the last thing I want to mention with anything to do with affiliate links or affiliate marketing in general is to come from that place of integrity, come from that place of adding value. Don't just spam out affiliate links hoping to get clicks. Try to add value to people. Try to help them solve a pain or problem, or share from your past experiences, again to add value to help people. And that really means only recommending the stuff that you genuinely would recommend to your closest friends and family. Not just recommending stuff for the sake of getting commissions. The people that adopt that approach are the ones that have the best results with affiliate marketing. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel.